Only when he went to get it, I get it, man. Welcome back, everybody. It's time to give a security update. Those of you who watch the channel know that me and my neighbors were struggling with an overwhelming amount of junkies infiltrating our perimeters. Well, things have changed. What I did was implement a eufy security camera system that records 24/7 with cameras that are wired. And some people didn't quite understand what that meant. What the camera is wired. It means it's got a data cable that also has power to it that keeps these cameras recording 24/7. And that is good when you have areas where you can get wires to. But some places, some houses, it's just not very convenient or even possible to get the wiring run throughout your house, or if you've got a large ranch house, or if you even have outbuildings, to run wires to the locations that you want cameras at. eufy sent out a different style camera. It's still a PTZ, and we're gonna unbox this, get it installed, and test it out. So these are solar powered cameras, and they have a substantial size battery in them. First thing I'm gonna do is pop the batteries out, get them charged up before I install the cameras. Now you can plug these in individually, but I'm just gonna pull the batteries out because I'm curious to see what they look like. Cool. So here's the battery pack. Has a USB-C plug right there. So for testing purposes, I'm going to mount just like this. They've got a mounting bracket here. Gets mounted to the wood, slides in, screws to the bracket. This can also be mounted underneath a soffit like this. I'm going to get it mounted way up high so the junkies cannot miss the cameras. And we're going to talk about my situation with all those, you know, the fentanyl zombies here in just a few minutes. Just like that. So this goes right on like this. And then there's two little screws here on the side that retain it in place. And there you go. You got your mounting bracket. Now I do see a feature on here that I'm really excited about. Can't wait to show you that tonight when it gets dark. All right, now we have to figure out how to mount the solar panels. And there's a couple different options as far as the wiring. For this setup, I'm going to use the included short wire. It's got these longer extensions here, weatherproof seal, so that you can take your solar panel and your base, mount it around to a south-facing side of a house, click these together, and then have a whole bunch of wire to power your camera. But for this install, we're going to do short wires. I'm going to have this set up just like this, angled to the south. This will spin around, plug right into the back. Here's the final setup. I made a few adjustments. I moved this off to this side here, got a nice angle on it. You can adjust it for wintertime, low sun angle, summertime, high sun angle. This here rotates out so you can access the USB-C charging port. This just pops out. This is where your sync button is, and this is where you can install an SD card. This bottom part swings all around, but most likely this is the angle that I will have this set up like that. And then this part here can swivel all around. So this feature right here has pretty much eliminated my homeless problem. That follows you. You can't really see it, but there's two lights there. Watch, I'll start walking again. Instantly picks you up. You're going to choose a different way than going by this camera. because you know you're being recorded.
So both these cameras have 4K capabilities. This bottom camera here rotates up to 360 degrees and can zoom out to 164 feet. It knows just how much to zoom to keep the object that it's tracking in frame. Now, each camera comes with a 5.5 watt solar panel. This is more than enough to keep the batteries fully topped off. You only need 1 hour of direct sunlight for a full day of power. You might be wondering, what's this here? This is the Homebase S380, and you can pair these cameras with the Homebase. That'll get you your bionic mind and a whole bunch of AI features. Also enables the cross-camera crossing. That's where you've got one camera over here, one camera over here, and you got a bad guy that comes through the field. This picks it up, follows him around. The next camera picks him up, follows it around. And then it will make you a video clip, a seamless video clip where they all flow together. If you're looking to upgrade to a smart DIY home security system, I'll put a link down in the description. They've got up to $172 off and up to 15% off bundles. That link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.